Class method decorator with self-arguments. How do I pass a class field to a decorator on a class method as an argument? What I want to do is something like: it complains that self does not exist for passing self.url to the decorator. Is there a way around this?
Yes. Instead of passing in the instance attribute at class definition time, check it at runtime. The decorator intercepts the method arguments. The first argument is the instance, so it reads the attribute off of that. You can pass in the attribute name as a string to the decorator and use decorator if you don't want to hardcode the attribute name.
A more concise example might be as follows. Which will print
output, y_roll2, OK.
Another option would be to abandon the syntactic sugar and decorate in the _init_ of the class. Which would print
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.